Kathy's suitcase versus my suitcase.
Through 16, once again, 829, your 831.
Crispy garlic chicken and pad see ew with rice and Thai tea. Wait, the plates are actually really big. It's good. We're walking to the ice cream place after dinner and already huffing and puffing. It doesn't taste like cookies and cream to me. Yeah. We're currently at Lincoln Park. Yeah, it's so pretty. It feels like we're in the jungle right now. We're eating our leftover Thai food for breakfast and then we're gonna get ready and go out. We got dropped off by our Uber and now we're at Taz Bar. It's really cute in here. Kathy got the matcha with cream top and I got the matcha but with jasmine sweetener. Pretty good. Thank you. I like both. Both of the drinks are good. Kathy got the agave sweetener, which I usually get from my matchas. I'm gonna chug my matcha and then we're gonna go to Pike's Marketplace. There's so many options, we don't even know what to get. We're currently in line for clam chowder and the lobster rolls. The lobster roll looks super good, like very buttery. Yummy. I think I like this more, to be honest. I like the lobster already. I'm just gonna eat the lobster. Thank you so much. The chowder is better. The line is super long. She said the London fog is Earl Grey with vanilla, I think. Why is it giving lemon poppy?
Why does it taste like lemon fog anymore? London fog.
Wait, right?
It tastes kind of different.
Girl. Look how cute these ones are. Whoa, we're super close. Just walking around the area. Wingdom loaded waffle fries. It looks pretty good though. Cheers. Sure. Are we walking the right direction though? Thank you. Yep, thank you. First stop of the day is Poke. Hi, can I have one bowl please with spicy salmon please? This is the view. It's pretty nice though. Rose, yes, she does have.
Yes, it's so famous.
Wait, what is it known for? Just gas?
I don't know. I think it's just for the view.
Oh, at least the water looks nice. And you can see the Space Needle right there. I got the Uji mango and Kathy got the Uji latte. Yeah, Uji latte. Let me try Kathy's drink first. Mmm.
Delicious, right?
What milk are they using? Because this is delish.
Drinks like that.
Super refreshing. Guys, if you go to Seattle, go here. You don't need to go anywhere else. It's really pretty here. We ended up in the esports area. This is like Kathy's area because she loves playing. We were gonna leave, but we saw a fountain, so here we are. Wow, so pretty. That one friend that makes you walk everywhere. Ah! This area is really nice. We're like 5 minutes away from the actual place we need to go to. Oh my god. I hate you. Oh, she said, let's go to the garden. Guys, we finally found a pond at least when we're about to leave. This side is a little prettier because you can actually see the lily pads. Thank you. Hi, for two. Our chowder came. I'm excited because I like pastries with sausage. Wait, what'd you order?
Potato and cheese and beef.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Beef and cheese one. I don't really like the beef. This is the potato and cheese one.
Yeah.
I don't really like it. I got the mango and Kathy got ube coconut. Running because we're boarding right now. The island all the way back there. We made it. Now we're walking out. We're at a museum on the island. It's free, so we're like, oh, why not just go? I don't drink coffee, so I don't know if I'll get anything, but let me see what's on the menu. I got a London fog for my drink, but I changed the Earl Grey to black tea. Do you want to try mine?
This is like
It just tastes like a bad milk tea place in San Jose. Kathy got the actual London fog, so it's Earl Grey with cold foam.
Yours tastes worse.
They're both very watered down. We walked 30 minutes and we found the second troll. We finished taking pictures with the troll, so now we're gonna wait for our Uber and go to a reserve. When we're 50 years old, we'll rewatch our vlog. To the bird marsh, and this one looks like very, very green. Bridge and boardwalk. It kind of reminds me of Muir Woods, the hike, but it's more space. Guys, oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow. Made a whole loop and made it back. Kathy's in the bathroom right now, but after she's done, we're gonna order an Uber, and I think we're going back on the ferry so we can go back to Seattle. I'm so tired. Let me see how many steps I took today. 16K steps. I'll see you on the ferry. I'm sitting inside alone while Kathy's outside because it was so windy earlier. And we're kind of early, so there's a lot of empty seats for me to sit. But after a while, I think it's definitely gonna get full. And then by the time I show the next clip, we're definitely going to be back in Seattle. Probably gonna get dinner and then go home. Our table's ready. The dough is really good. I got the hazelnut one and Kathy got strawberry cake. Dude, here's a small but so big. That was almost $9. I think this is the last thing we're eating tonight. We actually ate a lot now. I'm full.